Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some colors. Red color, purple color, blue color, yellow color, gray color, orange color, dark green color, sky blue color, lavender color, light green color. A for X. A for X. B for book. B for book. C for cup. C for cup. D for duck. D for duck. E for elbow. E for elbow. F for fox. G for goat. G for goat. H for helicopter. H for helicopter. I for igloo. J for jellyfish. K for key. K for key. L for lion. M for milk. M for milk. N for nail. N for nail. O for orange. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sea. S for sea. T for tortoise. T for tortoise. U for unicorn. V for vase. W for water. W for water. X for Xmas. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zero. Z for zero. Subscribe.